Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best Sony cameras you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Sony A7C Mark II is a compact full-frame mirrorless camera designed for photographers and videographers seeking portability and high performance. It features a 33-megapixel back-illuminated CMOS sensor and Bionz XR processor for excellent image quality, 10 frames per second continuous shooting, and 10-bit 4K video recording up to 60 frames per second. Its AI-powered autofocus system includes 693 phase detection points, real-time subject tracking, and exposure accuracy based on human pose estimation. With 5-axis in-body stabilization, a wide ISO range, dual SD slots, and wireless connectivity, it excels in low-light conditions and dynamic shooting. Lightweight and versatile, it's ideal for hybrid content creators on the go. The Sony A7 Mark IV is a versatile full-frame mirrorless camera designed for photography and videography enthusiasts. Featuring a 33-megapixel back-illuminated CMOS sensor and dual Bionz XR processor, it delivers high-resolution images, 4K video recording up to 60p, and 10 frames per second continuous shooting. Its autofocus system includes 759 phase detection points, real-time tracking, and autofocus for humans, animals, and birds. The camera offers 5-axis stabilization, a 3.69 million dot electronic viewfinder, and a fully articulating touchscreen for flexible shooting. With 10-bit 422 recording, S-Cinetone profiles, unlimited recording duration, dual SD slots, and Wi-Fi Bluetooth connectivity, it's ideal for hybrid shooters seeking performance, reliability, and portability. The Sony A6700 is a versatile APS-C mirrorless camera designed for photographers and videographers seeking high-quality performance in a compact package. It features a 26-megapixel back-illuminated CMOS sensor and Bionz XR processor for exceptional image quality, dynamic range, and low-light capability. Its 759 phase detection autofocus points and AI-based real-time recognition autofocus ensure precise subject tracking for humans, animals, and vehicles. The camera supports 4K 60p video with 6K oversampling, 10-bit 422 recording, and S-Cinetone profiles for professional-grade results. With 11 frames per second continuous shooting, 5-axis stabilization, a fully articulating screen, and robust design, it excels in both creative and practical applications. The Sony A7R V is a high-performance mirrorless camera ideal for photographers and videographers seeking exceptional quality and versatility. It features a 61-megapixel full-frame XMR Air CMOS sensor and Bionz XR processor for stunning resolution, dynamic range, and low-light performance. Advanced AI-driven autofocus ensures precise tracking for humans, animals, and vehicles, while 8-stop in-body stabilization enhances handheld shooting. It supports 8K and 4K video with 10-bit recording and professional-grade color profiles. Key usability features include a 9.44 million dot electronic viewfinder, tilting touchscreen, dual card slots, and robust weather sealing, making it a reliable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The Sony ZV-E1 is a full-frame mirrorless camera tailored for vloggers and content creators, offering exceptional video quality and ease of use. It features a 12.1-megapixel XMR Air CMOS sensor with outstanding low-light performance and dynamic range, supporting 4K video recording with 10-bit 422 color sampling. Advanced autofocus with real-time tracking ensures precise focus, while 5-axis in-body stabilization provides steady handheld shots. Designed for vlogging, it includes a front-facing LCD, product showcase mode, and bokeh defocus. Compact and weather-sealed, it also supports USB-C power delivery for extended use, making it an excellent choice for creative video production.